Alright y'all, I just wanted to do a quick video unboxing of our new camera that we're going to be utilizing to do our art videos from here on out. So what we got here is the Studio Camera 4K Pro, and we're just going to open this sucker up. Some kind of way. There it is. Take out the parts here. Take a look at it. And this is the camera. And I think that's about all it comes with. Let's see. Cables, I guess. So let's see what we got here. Okay, this is a little bit harder to open. I don't know what it would be. Oh, Jesus. Is it supposed to be this difficult to open? Oh, maybe I'm not supposed to open that side. Alright, there we go. Go that side. Got this here, so this side. Looks like it came with some different numbers you can put here. That's what this is. Okay. So we got some different. If you want to like have more than one camera. These cameras are expensive, so I have the one. We got the power cord, and we've got some attachments for the power cord. It's like you can change the actual output to whatever fits your house power or whatever. And also got this Lumix 14 by 140 for the front there. So we'll be using this live stream camera for doing all our art videos from here on out, and this is going to help us make a much better video production for here on out for the year 2026. So I'm super excited about this camera. I can't wait to figure out how to like hook it up and try it out. There's USB-C ports, obviously on this side. There's an Ethernet cable connection you can do. I think power can go through that Ethernet connection. I don't know, I think these two go to like if you had like a certain type of rack or something. And they have the 12 volt power on this side and an HDMI output. Also looks like a 12 volt connector for like, I think this looks like a mic connection or something. So pretty neat. I will have to go through the actual instructions and stuff, and you know, kind of look over it and see how to work everything. But this part here just opens like that, and then the screen's in here. So that's pretty cool how that opens up. Close this back up. I don't need this open right now. And it closes like that. So I also got a nice stand. I bought a newer heavy duty stand that I will be putting it on. I don't know if this attachment here will work with this one, but I think I should be able to connect the bottom with the type that this one came with. Because I did already open this just to kind of see, but this is a heavy duty stand which will support the camera. It's a very nice stand. I don't know if you can see the whole thing, but I will get this set up as well and get this hooked onto this and get the lens, which we can take out of the box as well. I already kind of opened the lens to kind of look at it, but it's just a lens that will go on there. this piece here I can put on, and it's just a nice little lens to put on there. So very excited about our art content and the leveling up that we're going to do this year. We're going to keep pushing forward, making videos. I plan to bring more art content this year, and we're going to take it to the next level. So I'm thinking we will start off this year, next week, with our first art video, which will start on Monday and end either on Friday or the following week. So it'll be like 30 minutes every day of a little bit of art content, and I hope you stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new, and keep checking, because we're gonna bring the content this year. I'm trying my best to bring new content as much as I can.